Welcome to Swamp Bites, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Hillary Ake, sports performance dietitian here at the University of Florida. Today I'm going to walk you through a healthy and delicious recipe while cooking with natural gas. Today we're going to be making a potato crusted zucchini frittata. Our athletes love it because it's like a breakfast pizza. We'll start with some thinly sliced cooked potatoes that we'll use as a crust. Just arrange the slices in the bottom of the pan, leaving no open spaces. All of our recipes have to be really well seasoned. We have so many different palates, and we also want everything to be really well salted. Our athletes are doing a lot of sweating while working out in the Florida heat, so we need to replenish their salt. You can add any vegetable within the whisk eggs. We're going to be using zucchini because it's a favorite of our athletes, and then we'll include some onions to add crunch. Next, I'm going to pour the egg mixture over the potatoes, covering them well. Lastly, I'll sprinkle the top with shredded cheese before placing it in the oven. I like cooking with gas because it uses less energy for higher efficiency. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can use natural gas at your next tailgate, in your home, or at your business, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.